Hey, and fast.
Okay.
What rally are you going to conduct now? What is the purpose? Very nice. So, how many languages you all know?
Minimum 3. Good.
So, in our Kendriya Vidyalaya, we are celebrating this Bahu Bhasha Utsav or Bhasha Sangam in different names in different years. Celebrating our the diversity of languages. So we should try to learn as many languages as possible during this week or a fortnight, whatever the celebrations going on. Make sure that every year you are learning at least some important words of some other language. You can get some important words from all the languages, whatever is presented in the assembly. Apart from that, make sure that you are learning a few words and sentences of a particular language. So everybody should opt to one language, which is otherwise not known to you. You know, most of you are familiar with Malayalam. How many of you know Malayalam? There are still some. Okay, put down your hands. Of course, English also you all will be knowing. And what about Hindi? How many of you know Hindi? Even though you are studying Hindi, many hands are not coming up. Why is it so? बस थोड़ा थोड़ा काफ़ी है अभी के लिए, बाद में पूरा पढ़ लेना. तो 3 लैंग्वेजेस आपको मतलब लर्न करने की मौका है आपके पास. वैसे ही हिंदी आपको पढ़ना है, इंग्लिश आप जानते हैं, मलयालम तो आप बहुत खूब जानते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं मलयालम में. तो बाकी कुछ अन्य भाषा भी आपको सीखना है. कौन कौन सी भाषा सीख पाएंगे आप? तमिल लैंग्वेज हमारे पड़ोसी मतलब देश है, कुछ लोगों को मालूम भी होगा तमिल, है ना? किसको कितने लोगों को तमिल मालूम है? तमिल आज जो असेंबली में प्रश्न किया था उसमें तमिल भी तो था ना, तो आपको मालूम है तमिल? केवल एक ही बच्ची जानते हैं तमिल. हाँ, सो हमारे पड़ोसी देशों की भाषा, एक तमिल हो गया, कन्नड़ हो गया, और उसके अलावा जो नॉर्थ इंडियन स्टेट्स की लैंग्वेजेस हैं, तो हिंदी वगैरह अच्छा से सीखने के लिए आपके पास मौका. आपके टीचर्स भी हिंदी प्रदेश से भी है, जैसे सर है, तो उन लोगों से सीखने की कोशिश करिएगा और ताकि आप अच्छी तरह हिंदी बोल पाए. उसके अलावा एक भाषा इस आपके सेलिब्रेशन के दौरान आपको सीखना है, कम से कम 10 वर्ड्स उसमें से, चाहे बंगाली हो मीन्स और कोई भी लैंग्वेज उधर का हो, या तमिल हो, तेलुगु हो, कन्नड़ हो, किसी भी भाषा से कम 10 नए वर्ड्स आप सीख लीजिए. 1-2 सेंटेंस कम से कम विश करना, ग्रीट करना कम से कम सीख लेना. तो यही उद्देश्य हमारा ये भाषा संगम या भाषा उत्सव का. सो अभी 1 साल में आप एक भाषा सीखेंगे तो आप स्कूल से जाते जाते 4-5 लैंग्वेजेस आपको तो आ ही जाएगा थोड़ा बहुत. सो देर आर सो मेनी फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल इन द इंटरनेट एंड ऑल टू लर्न ऑल्सो. व्हेन यू ग्रो ए लिटिल मोर you may use those facilities also to learn the languages. So when you know more languages, you know people of India from a means a closer distance. So when you do not know their language, you will feel them as somebody away from you. But you know Hindi very well, then you will feel that teacher is somebody very close to me. But if you are not knowing Hindi, you will simply feel that this teacher is from somewhere, from some Hindi state. Since I don't know Hindi, I am not feeling like that teacher is mine. But if you know Hindi very well, sir also is speaking Hindi well, you can also speak and understand the Hindi well, you will feel that this teacher is also very close to me, isn't it? So when you know more and more languages, you will feel every place of India, every people of India closer to you. If you do not know that, then that distance will be always there. Our purpose is to reduce that distance. Learn all the languages and let us all be together as one people, one nation. Isn't it? So for that we need to learn the languages of others also. So please make it a point when you are studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya, you should learn multiple languages. By the end, when you leave the school, you should be in a position to speak at least a few languages. So all your initiatives during the assembly, your participation, everything is very nice during this celebration. Students are taking interest and presenting so many items in the assembly means a very good manner. They are taking the efforts. Others also, even if you are not presenting the program here in the assembly, you should also prepare something by yourself. Okay, so continue your good work. Your teachers are also helping you a lot. And today we are now going to show that to the society that you are celebrating this Bahubhasha Utsav. So I'm just starting your rally. You all are ready with the slogans and all?
Yes.
Okay, shall we start then? Okay, so I'm just flagging it off for you. Okay, start.
जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा
जय
जय भारत जय बहुभाषा जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा बहुभाषा एकता की एकता 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 भाषा की भिन्नता भारत की शान भाषा की भिन्नता भारत की शान भाषा की भिन्नता भारत की शान भिन्नता भारत की शान जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा 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 बहुभाषा एकता की एकता बहुभाषा एकता की एकता बहुभाषा एकता की एकता भाषा की भिन्नता भारत की शान जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा जय जय भारत जय बहुभाषा
You know what is the motto of this year's Bhasha Bahubhasha Utsav? Many languages, one emotion. Okay, though we Kendriya Vidyalaya students belong to, they speak different languages. You people, because you are in Todupuzha, you are not with other children, those who speak other languages. But when you go to other KVs, you know, there are children of different languages. So, though they speak different languages, but our emotions, our love towards our country, that is the same. Okay, so what is this year's motto? Many languages, one emotion. Okay, repeat.
Many languages, one emotion.
Okay, very good. Okay.